Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Wesley here with the Gorilla Investment Corporation. And what we do here on this channel is we grow our community towards financial prosperity together in a non-biased way. It's open to share ideas, share concepts, our successes, our failures. We are all here for the same goal, and that is to achieve financial success and prosperity. I am not a financial advisor. I am not here to sell you financial advice. Yet grow, listen, learn together about cryptocurrencies, stocks, other types of investments, and forms in which we can grow our portfolios and work towards wealth. Anyways, without further ado, this particular video is about my favorite cryptocurrency exchange, being a DeFi protocol market called AAVE. And AAVE, AAVE is the ticker, is a brilliant thing that came out in about 2017, originally as ETHLend. Finnish gentleman started this in a group in 2017, around November 2017. During the bull run of the cryptocurrency market, original bull run, which I was introduced to cryptocurrency, that happened in the last cycle. For those new to the space, the big run-ups you've seen, these are all-time highs today, but this type of cycle and euphoria has actually occurred already. And what happened during this time is a lot of these markets, particularly these very creative DeFi, decentralized markets, had liquidity issues because I don't think anyone could have foreseen the popularity and the volume that was going to be coming in at that time. So ETHLend had to adjust itself. It wasn't able to do it. It had to transfer itself out of the liquidity problems. And what I love about it versus the other competitors in the space, being UNISWAP, Compound, Solana, which are all fantastic, and I'll do stuff on that later, is that AAVE has survived that crypto winter. They have already seen the ups and downs of this on their system and have adapted. And now when you open up their app, which I hope you do, or you look into their website, you can see how fantastic and beautiful and clean the software is and easy to use the system is. Now, let me get into that system. How does it work? Rather than just peer-to-peer lending, AAVE is a whole pool, a pool in which everyone can pool together their cryptocurrencies, their stablecoins, their Ethereum, all that they're interested in. They can have a pool and you can lend from that pool. So when it's a larger pool, you have higher rates of interest, you have different borrowing, so you can take advantage of price action differences within certain cryptocurrencies, allowing you to see significant gains. Of course, there's always risk involved, but this can be really, really effective for people that do not have time to watch the charts all day and try to make huge swing trades and just try to catch the market, because we know that can be a fool's errand. Let me use an example. I have 5 Ethereum. My Ethereum's not doing so well in terms of staking in a wallet. It's not doing enough for me. I'm not excited about it. I want to make more. I can take that Ethereum, I can put it into the liquidity pool, and then from that pool, I can transfer that into USD coin, for instance, a stable coin, a DAI, and then I can go and put all of that into Yearn. Yearn's getting a huge amount of interest calculated and big growth. So let me just do that. And now I'm, maybe I'm getting a 2x gain versus just a 0.25% gain over the course of a month. This is very attractive to people, specifically with large amounts of capital and cryptocurrency sitting in their portfolios. I know myself, I'm very interested in this. I'm just kind of limping into this. I am not a whale by any means, but I do see how this is very effective for people that have to go around everyday business and cannot constantly watch every coin on the ticker. This has perfect liquidity now. The liquidity issues are done. It's an over-collateralized platform. So if you're under collateral, you're going to be liquidated. So it doesn't work that way. Everybody that has what they put into this, it's all valid and it's all balanced. Interest that is gained depends on the utilization rate of what is within the pool itself. And what I mean by that is, if something's at a very low rate of interest, it's very enticing to borrow that, so you can get that at a lower rate, of course, and put that into something else that's going to give you a much higher return. But when there's a very limited supply within that system, it's also enticing for me to deposit my assets within that system, because they're going to be getting a bigger rate of return from those who borrow from the pool itself. So this is brilliant. Some basic numbers. The market cap here is about 4 billion to 200 million on this. The max supply of the tokens, I gotta let you know, this is 16 million tokens only. That's very, very few tokens. When we're looking at how popular this pool is and is going to become. Of course, a lot of them are in circulation because they are used quite frequently within this trading system. However, at a $340 US roughly trading value at the time we're talking spring 21, this is very undervalued. I zoomed out the chart on TradingView. I do see this token being, worth as much as $500 if it gets to that point of this bull run or more. So I'm very long on AAVE. I think the token itself is actually a really, really good thing you can look at doing. Not a lot of people look at $500 price points from 300 trading current as a big game, but it's a very, very nice store, kind of like in that price range of your Elron Golds and your other 150 to 500s. AAVE is one you definitely got to look at. Not much else to it. Competitors in the space: UNISWAP, Compound, Solana, all very, very cool. Different price action on their coins themselves. But once again, why I love AAVE is not only because of the system and how fluid that ecosystem is. I will link how that ecosystem works. But I do think that the concept is here to stay. I'm very long on AAVE. That's AAVE. Once again, Wes at Gorilla Investment Corporation. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to like and subscribe. You have a lovely afternoon or evening or night or morning.